Good morning, Dan. Good morning, Lieutenant. How are you?
All is well. How about you?
Great, thank you. Judge is on her way out.
Very good.
Good morning, Mary Ann.
Hey, Dan.
Do you want to put me in a breakout room?
I can do that.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
Step out.
Mary Ann, are they going into a breakout room or are they done and ready?
Nope, they're going into it right now. Sorry.
Lieutenant Jackson has me rushing out here for no reason. Whew. Good morning, Mr. Bitar.
Good morning, Your Honor.
This is 210192 FY, State of Michigan versus Savon Markeith Knight.
Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Knight, Your Honor.
Could you state your name for me, please, sir?
My name is Savon Knight.
Thank you, Mr. Knight. Today is the arraignment. Sir, it's alleged that on September 11, 2020, in the city of Romulus. I'm sorry, Mr. Bitar, how are we proceeding this morning?
Thank you, Judge. Judge, I've had a chance to talk to Mr. Knight. I've gone over the charges with him. We'll waive a formal reading. Stand mute, please.
Mr. Knight, are you able to hear Mr. Bitar?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Bitar. Mr. Knight, you have a right to have preliminary examination in this matter. You have a right to have an attorney with you. There is a petition for a court-appointed attorney attached to the front of your file that has been signed, and you will be assigned counsel going forward. You have a right to be considered for pretrial release, sir. There is a bond recommendation from Romulus Police Department that they do not oppose personal bond. They don't have any other conditions listed on that recommendation. Mr. Bitar, is there anything you'd like to say as to bond in this matter?
Judge, we'd also like that personal bond. He is gainfully employed. He works at a scrapyard in Detroit, on Kronk Ferris Metals. He's been there for at least the last 6 months. No prior felony convictions. He lives with his parents in Romulus. I think the personal bond is appropriate.
The court will adopt the recommendation of the police department, assess bond of $5,000 personal. The only condition is that Mr. Knight not possess, purchase, consume alcohol during the pendency of this matter. Mr. Knight, your next court date will be your probable cause conference. That will be by Zoom as well. That will be on June 23rd, 2021 at 9:15 a.m. and that will be with Judge Green. Again, the file number is 210192 FY. Next appearance date of June 23rd at 9:15 a.m. As for this felony, anything else, Mr. Bitar?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Knight also has some other matters with the court. Did you have an opportunity to discuss that with him, Mr. Bitar?
Yes, Judge. I went over those outstanding, misdemeanors and civil infractions with him. I looked at the docket sheet. It looks like, I don't know if pretrials were ever set in these matters. They happened right around the beginning of the pandemic, Judge. He understands he's going to have to appear at hearings on those in the future. We'd ask you to set those for dates in the future and give him personal bonds on each of them.
As for the civil infractions, thank you, sir. The civil infraction 19B007693 A is in default and he owes the court $190. That's double parking from November 19, 2019. There's 20 RP 6748B. That is a no proof of insurance from Romulus from April 26, 2020. That's in default. He owes the court $378. There's 20RP027488A. Again, April 26, 2020, City of Romulus. That's distracted driving. That matter is also in default. You owe the court $278. The only other matter, the misdemeanor, is 20RP027448C. That is a failing to display a valid license. That one can be scheduled for a pretrial on August 23rd, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. with Magistrate Hinman. And bond in that matter would be $3,000 personal. Anything else, Mr. Bitar?
Judge, is it possible for the collections department to contact Mr. Knight to arrange payment arrangements on those civil infractions that are in default?
That is possible. Either they can contact him or he can contact them. Mr. Knight can actually go online to mi34thdistrictcourt.com and request a payment plan or call the court for a payment plan. Mr. Knight, we have your phone number is 313-854-3223.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll make a notation that these matters need to go to collections, the unpaid matters.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Mr. Knight, make sure you give the court a call to take care of all of that, okay?
All right.
Anything else, Lieutenant?
No, ma'am, that's it. Thank you.
We're all set. Have a good day. Mr. Bitar, did Andy send you a thing for Van Buren?
I did not get it yet, Judge, so you're telling me there's another one coming up, I guess.
It's another one coming.
I'll be ready for it. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, sir.